friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear friends, in last part we read about what is constitution, importance of constitution and constitute assembly. Now today our next topic is philosophy of Indian constitution. What is preamble and what are the main ideas of the preamble? So, in philosophy of the Indian Constitution, we read about democracy and value of the freedom struggle. How we can get the freedom and what is democracy? Democracy is a government where people elect their representative. Now, what is preamble? Preamble is the introduction of the Constitution. What are the main ideas of the preamble? That is republic, sovereign, liberty, fraternity, equality, socialist, secular, justice and democracy. These are the ideals of the preamble. Let's discuss one by one. What is preamble? Preamble is the introduction of the constitution. Now, ideal of the preamble. Our preamble start with the people of India. Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representative. No handed down by them a king or outside the power. Next is republic. What do you mean by republic? Republic means where the head republic means the head of the state is elected by the people, not hereditary in position. Second is sovereign. What do you mean by sovereign? People have supreme power to make decision on internal and external matters. No external power can dictate the government of India. Now, next, third is liberty. What do you mean by liberty? Liberty means freedom. There were no unreasonable restriction on the citizen, what they think, how they express their views. Indian citizens are totally free as they explain or express uh, views or thoughts. Next is fraternity. What do you mean by fraternity? Fraternity means equality. All of us should behave as we are the member of same family. No one should follow citizen as a inferior. Next is equality. Our fifth ideal is equality. Equality means all are equal before law. Government make equal opportunity to all the citizens of India. Next is socialist. What do you mean by socialist? Socialist means wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by the society. Next is secular. What do you mean by secular? Secular means freedom of religion. All religions are equal before the law. You can preach any religion, you can follow any religion. There is no restriction of religion. Then next is justice. What do you mean by justice? There should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed. What is democracy? Democracy means where the people elect their government. So friends, we read about the preamble and ideal of preamble. Preamble means introduction of the constitution. What are its ideal? Its ideal means our preamble start with we the people of India. Republic, sovereign, liberty, fraternity, equality, socialist, secular, justice and democracy. These are the main ideal of the preamble. Now, what is the name of the lesson? Constitutional design. And last topic is institutional design. Constitution and value of preamble make institutional arrangement. So students, this is the conclusion of the lesson. What we read in this lesson? Constitution embodies the value of the preamble into institutional arrangement. So students, we read about the preamble, its ideal and institutional design. In institutional design, that name of the lesson, constitutional design. Constitution embodied values of preamble. Which values of the preamble? These values. Values of the preamble into a institutional arrangement. I hope you have to understand this lesson properly. So friends, this lesson is completed. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.